Welcome back to NIKKEN TV, where we talk all things Nikken. Today, we're proud to introduce a game-changing solution for your tool measurement needs, the E460A presetter. Packed with advanced features, built for precision, and at an unbeatable price of under £15,000. And there's more. Place an order between now and the end of March and we'll include an exclusive accessories bundle which includes an ISO spindle and printer plus free delivery, installation and expert training. It's the perfect way to hit the ground running for 2025. The automatic measuring streamlines your workflow with fully automated tool measurement, accurate to the micron thanks to precision granite construction and elbow Nikken scales and optics. It allows you to achieve consistent reproducible measurements, ensuring any operator can load a tool assembly and obtain reliable results every time. It also includes a 600mm length measuring range, which is ideal for a wide variety of tools, giving you unparalleled flexibility. And the solid granite construction ensures unmatched thermal stability for high accuracy and repeatability, even in demanding environments, much like a CMM. An advanced inspection camera enables an on-the-spot assessment of tool wear and life and gives you full control over the tool quality and performance. It's all about maintaining productivity, keeping your machine spindles running and letting the presetter do the hard work. So why choose the E460A? Well, increase your productivity, saves time and protects your bottom line. By measuring tools offline, your machines stay focused on production, not downtime. And the result? More output, less wasted time and better efficiency. You can put a price on that. Check out our online savings calculator to find out more. At Nikken, we believe this is the best presetter on the market at this price. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are already seeing significant improvements in tool accuracy, faster setup times, and increased operational efficiency. Customers have reported reducing setup times by up to 50%. This promotion is made possible due to our current stock levels at our state-of-the-art warehouse, but it won't last forever. Take advantage of this opportunity and improve your operations with a presetter that delivers both precision and performance without compromise. Speak with your local Nikken sales representative or contact us directly. Are you ready to see the E460A in action? Contact one of our team and take your productivity to the next level now.